My name is Fish Daddy Cupcake. I'm a shoreline fishing. I make videos every day. I fished in an earthquake or a hurricane. I'm not insane. I got fishing on the brain. Hello, fishlets. I am here to show you an epic video. My first 11 videos, highlights. My goal is, I'm serious about this. I want to get some sponsors and I want to start giving stuff away. And I'll just find my garage and I'll give it away. Do you want something from my garage? Comment below. Fishing pole, maybe. A lure. You let me know in the comments below. I want to grow this family of fishlets so we can all together fish, explore, have fun, adventures with bears and armadillos and turtles and fish, and just explore the outdoors. Just have adventures with Mother Earth. Thank you, fishlets, for watching. Let's throw a cast net of share and capture subscribers. Oh my, that's brilliant. That's brilliant. Thank you, and here goes the highlights. Let's go. Highlights below. Let's go.
Nice. There he is. Oh yeah, there he is. It did act really funny. When it first came in, my rod went bent over big time. You see those marks? Dude, that's a shark. Right?
Oh, nope. I heard it snap. I heard it snap, but woo!
Crazy. I thought that one was big. This is one looking. I thought that one was big. Another whiting. Well, the whiting right here, but they're small.
Dangerous bridge fishing. Dangerous bridge fishing 4. I'm the dad. Who's your daddy? Who's your freaking daddy? Look at this. Tournament winner right here. Look how black he is. Blackie. And we're gonna name this one Blackie. Dangerous bridge fishing 4. What's up, guys? What's up? Why are you looking at me like that?
Yes, 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 yes. You can. You can. You can. You can get back on 25 points. I just did it. Oh my God! Look at this place. Look at this place. Look at this. 25 cents. Like, oh man, guys, was that ever worth it? God, I tried. Never give up, guys. Never give up. Look at this guy. Look. Let's get him back in. I think I'm gonna still try that some more. Cool, man. Look at this little dude in this little tiny pond. Look at this. Let's see. Okay. I'm just gonna go over there, park in that parking lot. I'm just gonna park in that parking lot right there.
No, you can't park over there.
Oh, you can't?
No, just pull up to that back of that stop sign.
Okay. All right. There he is in all his glory. There he is. Yes, thank you. Thank you, kind sir. Thank you for leaving my worm. Thank you for being such a team player today. Oops. Thank you.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share. And remember, the early bird gets the worm. And the worm catch the fish.